What if one simple K-beauty tip could transform your skin and more? In this video, we're diving into one of Korea's most beloved beauty staples. We'll uncover what really works, what's just a myth, and how to use it for real glass skin results. If you're eager to unlock the secrets of K-beauty, hit that subscribe button and let's dive in. Did you know rice masks have been used in Korean skincare for centuries? Korean court ladies used rice water to maintain their flawless complexions, and today it's a staple in K-beauty routines. But here's the question: does it really work, or is it just a trend? Let's find out. Myth 1. Rice masks work the same for everyone. Fact: while rice is great for most skin types, results can vary. For example, if you have extremely sensitive skin, rice water might cause irritation. Always do a patch test first. Myth 2. Rice masks instantly give you glass skin. Fact: rice masks can brighten and hydrate your skin over time, but don't expect overnight miracles. Myth 3. All rice masks are created equal. Fact: the type of rice and how you prepare it matters. For example, fermented rice water has more benefits because it's richer in antioxidants. So, what's the truth? Rice masks can work wonders, but only if you use them correctly and consistently. Here's step-by-step guide. Start with half a cup of rice. Rinse it thoroughly to remove any impurities. Soak the rice in water for 30 minutes to release its nutrients. After soaking, you can cook the rice until it's soft. Blend the rice and water into a smooth paste. If you'd like to use the rice water separately, strain the mixture to separate the rice water from the paste. Now, here's how to use it. Rice water. Use it as a toner or face mist. It's perfect for brightening and hydrating your skin. Rice paste. Apply it as a mask for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse off. It's great for exfoliation and soothing irritation. Pro tip: add a teaspoon of honey or aloe vera gel for extra hydration and glow. Did you know rice water isn't just for your face? Here are some secret tips and unexpected uses. Rice water strengthens hair, promotes growth, and adds shine. Freeze rice water in an ice tray and use the cubes to massage your face. It's perfect for reducing puffiness and tightening pores. Soak cotton pads in rice water and store them in the fridge for a quick, refreshing toner. And here's my personal favorite. Mix rice water with a bit of green tea for an extra antioxidant boost. It's like a spa treatment at home. The good news is it's suitable for almost all skin types. Oily skin controls excess oil and minimizes pores. Dry skin deeply hydrates and soothes dry patches. Combination skin balances the skin by hydrating dry areas and controlling oil in the T-zone. Sensitive skin. Its gentle, natural formula is perfect for calming irritation. However, if you have extremely sensitive skin or are allergic to rice, do a patch test first. And always consult a dermatologist if you're unsure. Consistent use and patience are crucial for achieving glass skin results. By using rice water and rice masks regularly 2 to 3 times a week, you can see noticeable improvement in your skin within 4 to 6 weeks. Your skin will become more hydrated, radiant, and smooth. If you loved this video and want more K-beauty goodness, hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up.